Okay, people. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another amazing episode on the channel by yours truly, Scott Tyler. It's been a little while. I mean, I haven't taken a break in uploading. However, I haven't actually recorded a video in a long time. So right now I'm recording this end of October 30th to be exact. But today, guys, well, first of all, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit that like button, share this video, and help YouTube Senpai, like help promote me or whatever. Because if you like this and you watch this for a long time, YouTube's algorithm is going to promote this to other people. So help me out. It takes 2 seconds. Leave this video a like. I'm sure you guys are going to get a lot of value out of this one, especially. So in this video, the topic is going to be a financial advice combination with a blueprint of how to actually achieve that financial success in the long run. However, some of these strategies can actually be utilized to make money in the short run, but this is going to be focused around technology / reviews. It's going to be talking about how to utilize technology in order to make passive income and help grow that over time with a small business. And so this is going to be kind of like a story time with me. So if you guys enjoy this kind of content, please subscribe to this channel. You guys are going to get a lot of value from this video. It's going to be minimal editing for the most part. It's going to be a little bit of a ramble, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's just hop right into it. Okay, so passive income strategy. When you hear passive income, you think I make money, a lot of effort up front, and then it just produces cash flows in the future without me really having to do anything, maybe like some maintenance here and there. But for the most part, I did all the work up front. It's going to produce cash flows, right? So that is great, well and dandy, and when people think of that, they think of like, let me start a business, let me create an online digital product, put it on the marketplace, and people are just going to buy it forever, right? If it's that good, if it gets good reviews at first, the website's going to promote you, the marketplace is going to promote you, it's going to like show up top of search results and all that. That's all great, and that is a fair strategy. I'm not going to lie. I've read that in several books at this point. I have a book that's like literally like, is it 21 like passive income strategies? That's in there. Digital products is in there. I've taken online courses on digital products. I've seen it all at this point. But the strategy no one talks about is investing. And I've mentioned investing a little on this channel, but investing to me is it's a ladybug, is a passive income strategy because I'm putting effort up front, I'm buying assets, and in the future it's producing cash flows. And after I buy it, I don't do anything. I kind of just sit here. You just sit here on your butt and the money kind of just rolls in. Not guaranteed. I never said that. Please don't quote me on that. Investing is never guaranteed cash flows or guaranteed net positive returns. However, if you're smart and use diversification, you can like push the odds in your favor and make it very likely that you're going to get some decent returns on what you buy. So how does this tie into technology and reviews? So YouTube is a great growth strategy to actually like start a small business. That's what I've done. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm giving value to you guys. So hopefully that one day you can copy me and do the exact same thing. So tech, right? Tech, productivity. Tech equals happiness. Tech equals communication, networking, efficiency, all that stuff. I talk about that stuff all the time on this channel. A mouse, a keyboard, a monitor, a PC that I built. This unlocks potential or unlocks new opportunities for the individual, correct? So people love watching tech videos, right? People want to see reviews. I can relate this to sort of like the Barstool Pizza sort of review thing. People love pizza. There's a market for pizza, massive market for pizza, because it's kind of hard to find someone who doesn't like pizza these days. But people want to see pizza reviewed. People want to see people talk about pizza. It's the same thing with technology and consumer technology, stuff that I'm passionate about. I'm passionate about all sorts of tech products. I know Samsung is a big favorite on this channel, and I love talking about Samsung products and kind of hating on Apple at the same time. There'll be a video out on my channel soon about Apple versus Android, which honestly was hilarious to film. But so going along those lines of pizza reviews and also tech reviews, people want to see videos about tech. People want to see videos of me reviewing tech and other reviewers talking about tech because it's something I'm passionate about and interested in. And seeing someone else give their opinion kind of like amplifies that in a way, right? Like it's building a community, and that's what I first said when I started this channel. I wanted to build a community of people who have the same sort of interest in me and like talking about the same things as me and sharing their opinions and me being open to everyone's opinion. So where am I going with this, right? I'm not just going to sit here and ramble on for 20 minutes straight. If you can harness like your passion or whatever it is, mine is technology. If you can use technology and you can review technology and share your opinion on the internet, that is a business. That is a business, and people will click on your stuff because it's popular. People are interested in that stuff. Always create something that's popular in the community, and there's a market for it. When I say market, I just mean like people who are interested in that sort of thing. So what I did was I created a focus around tech, reviewing tech on this channel and Life Made Easy especially, and even my podcast in the past. I did that and then gained traction on YouTube. YouTube pays you. And from there, once earning that paycheck, once you have like a steady income source, and I'm not saying here it's easy, it's extremely difficult. If you put in the amount of hours you need to and you don't give up, eventually, yeah, you could hit it big. It's not guaranteed, though. Nothing's guaranteed in life. But once you get that steady source of income from your small business or even your job, to be honest, if you have a main job and YouTube's just a side hustle, take that money and put it straight into some sort of asset that can grow in value over time. I try to avoid buying stuff that just depreciates like instantly. Or when you like a car, for example, when you drive it off the lot, it just like loses like 30% of its value already, which is kind of crazy in of itself. But take that money, invest it. Because of inflation, your dollar's going to lose value every single day. You holding on to that cash is not doing you any good. You actually can't buy as much stuff over time if you never invest your money or never grows at a constant interest rate. Because inflation right now, or it's normally 2%, but right now you've seen it high as 4% in some markets, or in some industries, sorry. Take that money, invest it, put in stuff that has potential to grow over time. I talk about the stock market all the time on this channel. I'm a big favor of cryptocurrency. That's the sort of thing I talked about at the beginning. If you want short run returns, if you really want to make cash up front, if you need it, I'd put money in crypto because I've seen crypto grow like 30%, 50% in a single week sometimes for like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is nuts. But that is a passive income strategy. Once you buy that stuff, you own it, the price will fluctuate over time. Hopefully it'll go up. Hopefully it'll make you guys money. Or you can short assets and predict that the price is going down. When I say short, that means like kind of like taking out I'm not going to go too much into this, but you hope the price basically goes down. You're kind of like borrowing shares from someone else and hoping the price drops, and then you have to rebuy it. But whatever. So passive income, tech, it all is one sort. It all ties together. At least for my strategy, is taking that tech, making myself more productive, learning more about how to make money, becoming more productive with technology, reviewing it, like the pizza reviews I talked about, creating a small business, taking cash flows and investing it, and having my money grow by itself without me really having to do anything over time. So that's the gist of my strategy right now. It's produce steady cash flows and invest those cash flows, basically. So over time, your money will exponentially grow using compound interest, basically. If you guys want me to make more videos on these sort of like financial topics, I'm totally down. But this is a tech-related channel. If you have any suggestions on videos you want me to make, any like tech stuff, if you're confused about stuff, by all means, leave a comment down below. I can show you all my gear that I use, give you any insight on how I'm producing my videos, because I want to help you guys out as well and give you great recommendations on tech that I find really interesting and easy to use and also practical. If I were to tell you like the biggest things that have made me a more productive person, since I know I talk about productivity on this channel, it's definitely 100% my PC, my camera, my smartphone. These headphones over here, why am I blanking? Philips K90, I'm blanking on the name right now, but these Philips headphones right here, Blue Yeti mic, keyboard, mouse, and Logitech webcam, and yeah, I mentioned this camera already, and also my Galaxy Tab S7. These are the things that I like. These are the things that make me more productive and make me want to make better content for you guys. So if you enjoyed this sort of video, guys, leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And yeah, road to 1,000 subscribers. Help me get there. And I think we're almost at 500, which is the halfway mark, which I'm excited about. But yeah, I'll be making more awesome content, helping you guys benefit in some way, giving you productivity tips, motivation, success tips, and kind of tie that in with my favorite tech. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. I appreciate all of you guys. Peace out.